We got coffee. Of course we did today, because today is Sunday. But anyway, I'm at 9 of 12 coffees right now. I'll get one tomorrow, so that's 10.
Points for mine, Emmy?
I did not.
Why?
Because
Dumb.
No, it's because I couldn't. Because you have to go back, and then I was trying to do it. Whatever. And honestly, the drinks are expensive with the points. I'd rather just like.
Well, what are you using the points for?
I don't know. I'd rather get something fun for the kids. I don't know.
Seriously.
I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. Cheers. So it is 11:42, and I have Zumba class at 12, and I'm just gonna click that button that says access class. Let's join the class now. I love how colorful everything is. Let's go. There we go. Hey, Zoom. It's snowing.
Come on, let's go outside, you guys.
It's snowing. Hope, be careful. Because she hurt herself last time, but that was different. That was like colder. I don't think it's as cold right now. Snowing, yay. Hey, guys, long time no see. I was actually filming another video that you guys will see soon because I need to pick and choose a few things to pre-film because I am traveling in February, so I need to have some content that's ready to go so my page is not just dark, because I have this like irrational fear that if I don't post every day, then like you guys will unfollow me, which like honestly it doesn't matter, but I like do have a community that like, you know, writes these nice comments every day, and it's more like of a way of like for us to connect rather than you guys being like, oh my god, you're so perfect, which like I know I'm not, I'm far from it. But it actually just kind of works out too, because I'm giving myself, actually I should say I'm trying to give myself grace, as well, actually, honestly, time is a little fuzzy, but I'm pretty sure this week is, yeah, it's the week 6 years ago, that I had, my episode, where I needed to go to the hospital because I was not sleeping. I was not okay. Yeah, I was just not okay. If you, I mean, if you don't laugh about it, you'll cry, but I was not okay, because I thought, well, no, actually, my grandmother was dying, because you slowly die with dementia, right? But what happened was she was put on hospice for the first time. And like I said, I only ever had experience with hospice where it's like, you know, following like the kids or the people with cancer, and it's like, oh, you know, Joe Schmo got put on hospice and then he died 2 weeks later, you know. I was 20 years old, gonna be, no, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I was 21, gonna be 22, because I already had Hope at the time. And, she came into my life when, 2 weeks before I turned 21, she was born. So it's no coincidence that she was meant to be my dog. But anyway, So yeah, I'm just giving myself a lot of grace because trauma's a bitch and PTSD sucks. So, anywho, but yeah, and so I guess I'll just talk for a minute because woo, today's been a day. I normally try to like not get political on here because you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. But honestly, I don't care what people say. Like, this is my page, right? And my digital diary. But I'm just so thankful that the 3 Israeli hostages are home. We still need to bring home all of them. And this is what I wanted to say is that, some people will be like, well, oh, how could you, say that when, like, other people are suffering too, or like, Palestine or whatever. Listen, I think humans are gross to each other, and I was actually talking to a friend of mine earlier. And this is what I was saying. I was saying you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. However, I don't know. I just think being held underground is a different type of cruel. I think being a woman and being subjected to what I'm sure they were subjected to, if you pick up what I'm putting down as a woman, is disgusting. There's a child, literally a baby, in there with his brother, who's spent not 1 birthday but 2 birthdays, like, in a tunnel underground. My nieces are near that age, and if that was them, I would not be okay. I mean, that's not okay. That's a child. Like, this is, and I listen, and this is why I don't talk about this stuff, because I know I'm not educated, because there's like probably so much more that went into it, but that's a child. Like, fight with adults all you want, but like, don't take young people from a freaking festival that all they were doing was like dancing, and that could literally have been anyone that went to, like, Ultra Music Festival or like any of those in the States. But you're gonna take like it's gonna be this whole terrorism thing where it's like innocent people. Again, I don't know why people have nothing better to do than just like ruin the lives of other people. But do I think all humans are gross to each other? Absolutely. And it makes me sick. And, this is a very broken world, and it's very sad. But I can only pray and hope that those 3 girls feel, actually, you know what? They're around my age, 27, 28, I think. I think one's a little bit older and one's a little younger, but one of them is 28. I don't know. But anyway, I can only hope and pray that they know that they're safe, they're loved, and they're loved by everybody, like from Jews to Christians to blah, blah, blah. And we're all praying for them. Anyhow, and I'm not trying to get preachy, but this is not the world that Jesus would want for us, okay? I don't want suffering for anybody, but I think being underground is disgusting. Anyhow, that's all I'm gonna say on it, because anyways, and again, TikTok was banned for like 12 hours, and I think if people put more passion from like that and like that energy into something, that could better humanity, I think we would be a lot better, which is, like, I know rich for me to say, because you're like, well, you're filming from your phone right now. I know, but, like, I do my own advocacy work in my own, my community. Or at least I used to. I'm not really into, like, the disabled community anymore, because honestly, I'm just trying to make it through the day, thrive a little bit, and make sure I have my future things set up. Anyway, I'm ready to get flamed in the comments for my opinion, but I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.